Good morning, and I'm on the road again. Today's destination is Pekan Karak in Pahang. I have a special delivery to make. Some nearly 4K worth of Yamaha PG1 accessories in kit form. So the order is for my good friend Apan, who just bought himself a Yamaha PG1. So the first batch that I delivered to him was the GV accessories. He got himself a special rack for the rear seat, top box and foot. So today I have two sets of accessories. So the main thing is the subframe and the leg guard with the leg guard cover. I also had the hand guard and the hand guard cover, which was sourced separately from Yamaha spare part dealer in Thailand. So the parts were shipped from Samut Sakon, I think about a week ago. So everything arrived on time, and I waited for a couple of things like a windshield and some minor accessories. So all in, there's nearly 5K worth of kit alone to be assembled. And right now I'm using the NKV highway to connect to the Gombak toll and head towards Karak. Traffic is beginning to be heavy as there's only 3 days left for the year, and also coupled by school holiday and people taking leave. Lots of cars heading up north. So this way, you turn left, you head to Ipoh and Penang and towards the Thai border. You turn right, you head to the east coast. So okay man, more updates on the road. Very heavy vehicle movement on the Karak highway, approaching the Gombak toll. Just going to exit the Bentong South toll. Been on the road for more than an hour, so still have to proceed for another 20 odd kilometers towards the beginning of the East Coast Highway. So okay, I think it's been an interesting drive. Vehicle movement super heavy all the way, but yeah, I think the worst stretch of the highway is over. So this is like a weekend cruise. Bentong is a very interesting town. It's the gateway to get towards southern Kelantan. So there's a federal road ahead called the Central Spine Road that goes all the way to Gua Musang. Very interesting stretch. In April this year, I rode my Yamaha PG1 on that stretch all the way to Rantau Panjang and entered Thailand from Golok. Okay, we have arrived in Karak, and here's the owner of the accessories. Okay. Car to car transfer. Okay, there's one more. This is the heavy one.
Right up there, put under the house there.
Oh, this is the heavy one.
This the what?
All your kacang
The rack lah.
Yep. Rack. Okay, so far so good. Mission accomplished. Yeah. Okay, we're going to town for lunch. There's Apan, in his little car. Very happy guy with all his accessories and all that. So he'll be busy for the next few days. Alright, going for makan. So this is part of Karak town area. is one of Apan's favorite chicken rice makan place.
Say what you want.
Wakai.
Okay?
Wakai siu yok.
燒肉、
Char siu.
叉燒，
Okay.
兩個人食。
Hai.
多啦嘛。
那再搬啦。 Okay, lunch is served. Chicken rice, Karak. One of the most happening chicken rice in Karak. So, bon appetit. Okay, all the unboxing done. The barang all delivered. So, I think Apan quite happy lah. He'll be busy the next few days, assembling the accessory kit. Yeah. The moment of truth. Apan's PG1. Beige color. Wow, look at that, man. Ooh, nice. New bike, new owner, accessory sudah pasang, good to go. Okay, man, well done. Thank you.
Yeah. Completed my chores and just left the farm. Now I'm back on the East Coast Highway heading back to Subang Jaya. So estimated travel time is over an hour, and time check now is 2:10. So for me, reaching the Gombak toll and the Jalan Duta toll shouldn't be an issue because it's not the peak hours. And then Apan also quite busy. I think he had a few guests arriving today, so I think just better leave him alone. So in short, the delivery was a success. I think he got 95% of his accessories all being delivered. So another 5%, which is around a couple of items, still pending. So quite happy to see a nice beige colored PG1 at the farm. I think he'll make very good use of it because he has other projects nearby that can only be accessible by a motorcycle, and I think the PG1 is a suitable bike for the job.